Okay guys, we will continue in our task to create a password generator. So now we have three separated lists, okay, with random letters, random numbers, and random special characters. So it means now I need to create one big giant list. So create one list. I will call it like this. It will be character list. Okay, it means all characters included, special characters, numbers, and letters. Okay, I will call it like this. And how we can create one big giant list from these three lists? It's very simple. You just need to write random letters plus random numbers plus random special chars. Okay, it goes exactly like this. So we will check it if it goes correctly. So I will print it. Okay, so we put it together, these three lists. There will be one big list, and we will store it in a character list, and I will print it. Okay, so we will see how many letters, 3, 2, 1, for example, and you can see we have a one big list, and there are 3 letters, 2 numbers, and 1 special char. Perfect. So now I can delete it. So, but the problem is that I will show you again. But now the problem is that it's in order. So it means the 3 letters are always the first three items. These 2 numbers goes after that, and these special chars is in the end all the time. Okay, so we need to shuffle it, we need to mix it. So I would like to put W, for example, here, number 7 here, M, for example, here, and this special char here, for example. Okay, so I would like to mix it. So let's go, we will do it. I will let the print here so we can compare what happened. So now we shuffle the list or mix the list. Okay, and we have a perfect function here. It's called random.shuffle. And what we want to shuffle? Character list. It's correct, character list. This character list we want to shuffle. So again, I will print it again here. So here it should be unshuffled or unmixed list, and here is shuffled list or mixed list. Okay, so we will see. I will run it, and now for example again 3, 2, 1, and you can see 3, 2, 1, but here is shuffled. Okay, so it means this is shuffled, this is shuffled, okay, and so on. So I will run it again. So, and I will put there, for example, 4, 4, 4. Okay, and you can see from this it's in order: 4 letters, 4 numbers, 4 special chars. We have a shuffled. Okay, so it's completely mixed up. Correct? They are the same items, but they are mixed. The position has changed. Okay, and that's why we need that. Perfect. So now, I will let it here for a while. So now I would like to print the list like string, okay? Because you can't show to the user the password, the new password in a list, correct? Because you need to show him or her to like ordinary string. So I will create an empty string and store it in a result. And now we know that we have a for cycle, correct? So letter, or I will write char, like 1 character in character list. If I will print it, so you will see. So character list is the big giant list, and we will store every item in the char and print it, the second item in the char, print it, third item in the chart, print it, and so on and so on. Okay, correct? So we will see. I put here again 3, 2, 1, for example, and you can see this. This is shuffled, and this is we took this and print the first item, the second, third, and so on and so on. So first item, second, third, and so on and so on. Correct? I hope you understand, guys. But now I would like to put it here in result, like it means like the string. So I will write result is equal to result plus char. Okay. So what does it mean? Result is an empty string, correct? After that, we took a first item from the character list. For example, it will be number 8. For example, number 8 will be here. So the number 8 is number 8 plus empty string is number 8. So it will be stored like string here in the result. Okay. After that, from the character list, there will be, for example, letter B. So now is string 8 plus letter B. So it's 8 plus 8 plus B. So he will be string 8B. Okay, and we goes again, and what will happen? What will be in the result? There will be the password, but in a string. So it means how many letters? 3, 2, 1 again. Okay, and this is our. Sorry, I just check it because I think something is wrong here. Okay, it goes like this. Result. Sorry. Here is not a result. So result. Okay, now. So I switched the letters. Something wrong here. So it should print now only the result. Okay, so we will see what will happen. I will clear it. So how many letters? 3, 2, 1, and you can see this is the result. Okay, it's an ordinary string. You can take it, copy, and you have your own password. Perfect. I would like to print here a character list. So I will write here something like character list, something like this. So we can check that everything is okay. This will be shuffled character list. We will print it like this. And here will be something like your password. Okay, and the variable. We use the F string, so we can connect the string and the variable like this if it is F string. Okay, we spoke about it in the previous videos. Perfect. So we have 3 checkpoints, we can say, and we will see. Let's go. So how many letters? 3, 2, 1. Character list is this. Okay, so it means 3, 2, 1. Shuffled character list. So we took this and shuffle. So it means this is here, this is here. This is here, and so on and so on. Perfect. So it's shuffled, and this is exactly what we have here. Your password is R7Y brackets 7. Okay, and this the user can copy it and use it. Perfect. I think we are successful. So now, for example, it will be 5 letters, 5 numbers, and 5 special chars, and we have the result here. Perfect. I think it goes well. So now, if you want, you can comment it out and just print the password, the final password. So 5, 5, 5, and we have the password. Perfect. I will copy it and use it. Great. I like it. So this is it, guys. I hope you understand.